Hey Tanner, my name is Tyler Vaughn. I am with Uplift Atlanta SEO, and I wanted to shoot this quick video for you because I came across you guys' site and saw that you guys are ranked high in Google, but there's a lot of things that could be done to your site that could increase sales to you and your business. So I wanted to show you these three quick things that you could do today to bring in more customers. So usually when I do this, a lot of the people are sitting there asking themselves, why am I doing this and what's in it for me? But oftentimes, in the world of the internet, most local business owners don't have the time to do internet marketing themselves because they're too busy um, running their own business. So a lot of the hesitation they have is just not knowing who the expert is and who isn't. So I found out by giving business owners this free attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of them saying, you know what, Tyler, I like you. Go ahead and do this for me. So if by the end of this video, you like what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve, then go ahead, shoot me a message back or give me a phone call, and we can chat about, working together. Or if at the end of this video you simply just want to take this free attack plan and go at it yourself, then I'm completely fine with that. So the first thing that I wanted to talk to you about is just simply content. You guys need to have at least 1,500 words to be optimized by Google. And looking at you guys' site, you have right around 300. So um, there's a lot of content that needs to be put on this front page in order to be optimized by Google. So going to your top competitors, we have East Atlanta Smoke and Vape. Still a very nice site. Still not a lot of content on theirs at all either. Right around 200 or so words. And then Vape Atlanta, not a lot of content at all. And then your biggest competitor, Atlanta Vapor, has a really nice site. Even has some e-commerce options in there as well, but still doesn't have that 1,500 mark of content that Google is looking for. So all of your competition is very beatable. Just need to work with someone to get more content on that first page of yours. So the next thing I wanted to talk to you about is citations. And moving into the next important thing on Google, when we search Vape Shop Atlanta, which is getting 170 searches per month, we see that EAV Smoke and Vape is number one in the map packs, Vape Atlanta, and then you guys are third in the map pack. So what the map pack is, as you probably already know since you're ranked, it's the name of your business, the address of your business, and the phone number. So the NAPs. Um, and so when we pull up the citations that make up the NAPs, we see that Vape Atlanta has 30. You guys, Vape 911, has only 16. And then the number one in the map pack, EAV, East Atlanta Village Smoke, has 29. So you guys could easily be number one in the map pack. Just need to be at least beating your competition by around 100 to 200 citations, just to go ahead and knock them out the park. And if you were to click on this, I'm using a White Spark. It's a tool that I like to use. You can actually click on here, View Sources, and it'll lay out all the sources that Vape Atlanta has, that EAV Smoke and Vape has, that all of these companies have. And you can actually take them one by one and go into that site and put your address, your phone number, and the name of your business, and directly take those citations for yourself. So want to be beating your competition by at least 100 to 200 to have some good leeway there. So the last thing I wanted to talk to you about, and kind of the most important, is backlinks. And what backlinks are is basically the link juice. So we see down here at the organic, so you have the map pack and then the organic listings. Number one is Yelp. Number two, Atlanta Vapor. And number three is you guys, Vape 911. So where you want to be is up here, number one to at least number two. And how you get that is by backlink. So We go to a tool I like to use, Ahrefs, and I have you guys' site pulled up here. You guys have 16 backlinks. And so let me give you a little bit of knowledge on backlinks. We call it link juice, and it works kind of like this. So site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. So it's almost like a popularity contest, but it's a little bit more than that. So the link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. So, for example, if you have a relative site such as a vape wholesale distributor or something along the lines of vape and smoking, that would be more effective than having, let's say, a Pizza Hut linking back at you because you guys aren't slinging pizzas for a living. So when we pull up Ahrefs, the tool I like to use, see you guys have 16 backlinks. So that's just a little bit of link juice. And when we go to your competitors, we see EAV, who's number one in the map pack, has 85 backlinks. And then Vape Atlanta has only 8, so you guys are definitely beating them. But then Atlanta Vapor has 303, which is your main competition. So once you log into Ahrefs, you can actually click on backlinks and it'll give you a layout of all the backlinks that each company is using. So just like the citations, you can go in and edit those to where we make them basically for your site. So going in closing, what we went over is content. You guys want to have at least 1,500 words on that front page. Citations, you want to be beating your competition by at least 100 to 200. And then backlinks. You got to have at least 200 to 300 backlinks that are giving you relevant links back to your site. So a lot of good link juice can help you guys be number one all the way across Google. So if you're sitting there, asking yourself, well, what now? Then you can please feel free to take this information I gave you, run with it, and enhance your site, like I suggested, and, bring more customers to your business. But, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself some time, you can give me a call here at 678-661-5695. And we can, discuss how I can partner with you guys and work on your behalf for your site. Once again, my name is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO. And my number is 678-661-5695. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Have a good one. Thanks.